Hi guys, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do a design change on these Gel X nails. These nails that I have here, I used some Raw Sealant PR gel polish to achieve this design, and this nail design will be coming out very soon. If you guys have not seen my Raw Sealant gel polish swatch video, I will link it in the cards above. And basically, to change up this design, all I'm doing is I'm taking this tapered cone shaped carbide drill bit. This is a fairly old one, so I would say the grit is about a fine to medium. And I'm just going back and forth my speed on my e-file, which is the BT Art Box e-file. I also got that from Amazon, and it's a really good drill. I highly recommend it if you guys are interested. I will link it in the cards below. So that drill, I found it was not coarse enough to remove the gel polish. So I went in, this is a ceramic bit. It is a safety bit, so you cannot cut yourself or anything. I am about 13,000 RPMs on this. And this is a ceramic bit. It is in a medium, I believe. And yeah, I got this one from Amazon as well. So what I'm doing here, also my Melody Susie dust collector. Highly recommend you guys use dust collectors. This one was from Amazon as well. So I'm just going up and down the nail, and I am trying not to remove a lot because these are Gel X nails and I want to keep on the nail. I'm just changing up the design. So I'm just removing the top layer of gel polish and the glitter design here, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to be using a Beetles, I believe it is a 48 piece gel liner kit. I also got this in PR. I will be reviewing this kit and unboxing it for you guys really soon. It is a beautiful kit. I will leave you guys the links down below. It is a gorgeous kit. You can get it on the Beetles website or on Amazon. And I have never worked with a gel liner brush kit before. You guys know my hands are really shaky, so I have a really hard time doing French nails with gel polish, and I suggest you guys get this if you haven't tried it yet. It makes doing French nails seriously effortless. The pigment of the gel polish is really good. I found myself only needing to do one coat, and it was so easy to get that perfect French nail art. These are going to be fall nails, and I am using the Beetles 48 piece gel liner art kit, and I'm using a bunch of different colors. So these are a fall nail design with Gel X nails, really easy to do. Here I am showing you guys how I just infill the little bit that was necessary. I recently just did these about a week ago, so there wasn't really much area for me to infill, but if you guys are interested, this is a nail strengthener gel polish, and it is a Japanese brand. I forgot the store. If you guys are interested, let me know and I will leave it down below. But I just use this to infill my nails. It is a nail strengthener and it is HEMA free as well. So I use that to infill the gap between my natural nail and the enhancement. Of course, I did clean off all the nail dust with alcohol, and I applied a primer, and then I went in with this. This is also works out as a base, but it has a thicker consistency, so I really like it to infill these nails, and it matches that base color perfectly. So it's super easy for me to change up these Gel X nails using the Beetles liner art brushes. And yeah, I'm going to be creating a really easy design. We're going to use some foils in here, and I'm going to show you guys how I place these crystals. I'm also going to do a crystal French nail. So I'm doing this on all the nails, you guys, and then I'm going to be curing it in the UV LED lamp. And we're going to get started on the gel liner design. Here I'm using this beautiful chocolate color, and look at how easy it was, you guys, to get that French line. Really easy. And then I'm just using the liner brush. You can also put this gel on a palette and use a bigger gel brush to fill in the nail. But it was so easy, and just like that, with one coat I got the French design. I'm going in after I cured this in the lamp for 60 seconds. These foils I got a really long time ago from AliExpress, and I'm just doing kind of a side design into that tacky layer of the French. And you guys, I've never been able to do this before, so I was really excited that I was able to outline this with the gold color. Usually my hands are too shaky. So here I'm going to be doing, I thought I would do a side French on these, and then I just decided to make it a complete French nail. But I adore this color. This is like a cashmere color. It's really, really pretty color. Again, these are the Beetles gel liner nail art brushes, and yeah, so I'm just infilling this. I decided to do a full French instead, and I was so proud of myself about how crisp these lines were looking. This never happens to me, so I was really, really excited. So I highly recommend you guys get yourself some of these gel art liner kits. It works really, really good. It has tons of colors in it. Yeah, so it'll work really, really well for year round. And I'm just infilling this, making sure I like the way my line is, swiping it from side to side, and then I'm infilling the rest with the gel polish. And I did cure these for 60 seconds. I had no problem with them peeling or chipping. I have been wearing them now for 2 weeks, and they have lasted just perfect. So yeah, wear test on this Beetles gel liner gel polish is really, really good. I'm finishing up with the pinky here, and then I am going to be adding again that French bling design and charms. And I also highly recommend you guys, I've been using the Beetles. This one wasn't sent to me, but I've been using it for a really long time. The Beetles rhinestone gel. It comes in a little tube. You can get it on Amazon. It's amazing. It works so, so well. Even my huge crystals, they don't move. They stay in place. And I highly, highly recommend that if you guys are looking for a good bling gel product. So I'm going to cure these in the lamp, and then I'm going to go back and put some of the copper shade. I believe I used a bit of copper shade flakes on the nail. I love the way that this looked on the nail. I thought it was really, really pretty. So yeah, I'm going to continue doing this, and then I'm going to show you guys the bling design. So this kit, you guys, also comes with a top coat and a base coat as well as glitter. So I highly, highly recommend this kit, you guys. I am using their top coat, which I have been obsessed with. It's a thicker consistency. It's super, super shiny. And usually I find myself having to put on 2 layers of top coat. But with this one, I only did 1. And you guys can see that shine. It is beautiful. And it also, I like that it's thicker so that if you have a glitter, it covers that right up. Here I am showing you guys, I use that Beetles rhinestone gel right there. You guys can see it. And it worked great, you guys. I didn't need to seal in this large crystal or anything. I just put a pretty good glob and it went right on. I didn't need to seal it or anything. It worked really, really well. Here I am again. I'm applying the top coat that came with the kit as well. Yeah, so I'm doing this to all the nails, and then I'm going to be doing a French rhinestone placement on the pinky finger. Alright, you guys, so here I'm just finishing up, and here's a quick video of the finished nail design. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you are subscribed, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!